This is for Xavier. All right, let's read some CVC words together. This is part 1. And here we have our storybot guy. He's telling us that learning helps you reach new heights. So welcome. We're going to do the short A sound today. At, ag, and app. Starting with at. A, T, t. A, t. At. At. K. A. T. Cat. Oh, look how cute. Cat. B. A. T. Bat. Bat. Yay. A. T. Hat. Do you like to wear hats? I like hats. Hat.
Yay!
A. T. Mat. Mat. A. T. Rat. Where is he going? Where is that rat going? Rat.
Yay!
S. A. T. Sat. They sat on the bench. Sat. Sat. You did all of those at words. Let's read the short A sound number 2. Ag. A. G. A. G. G. Ag. Let's put a word together with it. Ag. B. A. G. Bag. Bag. A. G. Rag. Cleaning a rag. Rag.
Yay!
T. A. G. Tag. Tag.
Hooray!
W. A. G. Wag. Like a dog wags its tail. Wag. Wag, wag, wag. Wag. A. G. Nag. Nag. Bag, rag, tag, wag, nag. All right, you completed all the ag sounds. Let's read CVC word sounds. App. A. P. A. P. App. App. N. A. P. Nap. I like to take naps. Oh, yeah, he gets to sleep. Nap. Take a nap. It's nice.
Yay!
A. P. Map. Oh, he's finding a lot of things on the map. Map. K. A. P. Cap. Cap. Cap.
Yay!
L. A. P. Lap. Reading a book. Lap. T. A. P. Tap. Tap. We learned nap, map, cap, lap, and tap. I'm so proud of you. Subscribe for more. See the link below for CVC Word printable worksheets. Learning is magic. Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.